Let's talk about PIM and dense mode. Remember that PIM is a layer 3 multicast protocol, and one of the modes that PIM offers is dense mode. The philosophy of dense mode is flood first all multicast streams into the network and ask later. It is advisable for small networks only. It is easier to configure and deploy than any other PIM modes. It assumes that all the network wants all the multicast traffic streams. So given it will flood first everything, devices not wanting a specific traffic will prune interfaces. That means that these devices will tell upstream devices that they don't want traffic for that specific groups or for all groups. So no matter how many prunes are set, the complete flood will start all over again every 3 minutes. Dense mode will use source trees always. That means that you will see S, G entries in your multicast routing table. For this mode, the reverse path forwarding rule applies. What this rule says is that if you receive multicast traffic in an interface, you will have to check the source IP address of this multicast traffic, but you will have to look it up in the unicast RIP table to get what is the unicast corresponding outgoing interface to reach that IP address. If multicast packets arrive at the same interface that was found in the unicast routing table, they will get forwarded. Otherwise, they will be dropped. So in this example, this router is receiving multicast traffic from this source through gigabit 00 and gigabit 10. So what the rule says is look that IP address in the unicast RIP and see what is the outgoing interface to reach this IP address for unicast. So in this example, the unicast routing table is telling us that this IP address is reachable through gigabit 00. So according to this law, you will accept this multicast traffic that is received on gigabit 00, and you will be dropping the interface, the traffic that is reaching interface gigabit 10.